Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you are preparing for the TCF Canada, you know how intimidating the listening comprehension test can be. But don't worry, in this video, I will give you clear and effective strategies to succeed in this test with flying colors. If you haven't seen my previous video where I explained the general structure of the TCF Canada, I invite you to watch it to better understand the exam format. Today, we will focus on the listening comprehension test and how to master it. Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join our exclusive subscription. The link is available in the description. By joining, you will gain privileged access to real tests and series of listening and reading comprehension exercises from the TCF Canada. You will also benefit from the corrected versions of recent speaking and writing exam subjects. These resources are specifically designed to help you prepare well and achieve high scores on the TCF Canada. Presentation of the test. The listening comprehension test of the TCF Canada consists of 39 multiple-choice questions spread over 35 minutes. You will listen to different types of audio, such as dialogues, interviews, announcements, and more. The purpose of this test is to assess your ability to grasp specific and essential information, while also understanding the general context of the exchanges. This test is crucial because it directly evaluates your ability to understand real-life situations in Canada, which is essential for immigration. General strategies to improve your listening comprehension. To succeed in this test, it is essential to train regularly in listening to French. Here are some strategies that will help you. 1. Listen to French regularly. Listen to podcasts, radio news, or YouTube videos in French. Diversify the accents, Canadian French, European, African, to get used to different types of recordings. When we start going through the corrected subjects, they will be presented in French. Additionally, I make sure to subtitle my videos in French to help you familiarize yourself with the language. Finally, the videos made available in the subscription to the channel are also in French. 2. Practice active listening. While listening, focus fully on the important information. Don't just passively hear, try to understand the overall meaning of the message. 3. Take notes on key words. Take notes to help you remember important elements better. Write down key words, names, dates, or numbers that will help you answer questions more easily. Practical techniques during the exam. Now, let's see how to apply these strategies during the exam. Before listening, read the questions before the audio begins. This will help you know exactly what you need to listen for and identify. During listening, don't get distracted by a word you don't understand. Focus on the overall meaning of the message. Pay attention to details: who is speaking? Where is this happening? When? What? These elements are often what is being tested. Don't try to understand every word, instead, grasp the general idea of the passage. After listening, don't change your answers too often. If you're sure about your answer after listening, don't modify it unless you have a serious doubt. Mistakes to avoid. Here are some common mistakes to avoid during the test. Not listening actively. Remember, the goal is to understand the overall meaning, not just to catch every word. Panicking if a passage seems difficult. Stay calm, keep listening, and don't lose confidence. Not practicing regularly. Practice makes perfect, so the more you practice, the better prepared you will be on exam day. Conclusion. So, now you have all the keys to succeed in the listening comprehension of the TCF Canada. Remember, the key to success lies in practice and focus during the exam. If this video was helpful, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss more practical tips and real tests to succeed in the TCF Canada. In my next video, we will discuss strategies for succeeding in the reading comprehension of the TCF Canada. Leave me a comment with your questions or preparation experiences. I'd be happy to answer them. Good luck with your preparation and see you soon.